Balancing Islamic teachings with modern parenting can be a rewarding yet challenging task. It involves integrating timeless Islamic principles with contemporary parenting practices to raise well-rounded, faithful, and socially responsible children. Here are some key strategies to achieve this balance. Foundation in faith. Instill core Islamic values from a young age. Teach children about the importance of honesty, compassion, respect, and the 5 pillars of Islam. Use stories from the Quran and Hadith to illustrate these values in a relatable way. Encouragement over punishment. Modern parenting emphasizes positive reinforcement rather than punitive measures. Encourage good behavior by recognizing and rewarding it. This aligns with the Islamic principle of kindness and mercy. Listening and dialogue. Foster an environment where children feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and feelings. Open communication is crucial in modern parenting and is also supported by Islamic teachings, which emphasize the importance of understanding and empathy in family relations. Digital literacy. Guide children in using technology responsibly. Ensure they understand the ethical use of the internet and social media in line with Islamic values of modesty and respect. Monitor their online activities and encourage beneficial content. Cultural integration. Teach children to appreciate their cultural and religious heritage while also engaging positively with the modern world. This can include celebrating Islamic festivals and participating in community activities as well as understanding and respecting diverse cultures and perspectives. Lead by example. Children learn by observing. Demonstrate Islamic behaviors such as regular prayer, charitable giving, zakat, and showing kindness to others. Your actions will serve as a powerful lesson for your children. Financial responsibility. Teach children about halal means permissible and haram means forbidden financial practices. Encourage saving, avoiding waste, and being charitable, which aligns with both Islamic teachings and modern financial literacy principles. Encourage children to ask questions and seek knowledge. This aligns with the Islamic tradition of inquiry and learning. Help them understand the rationale behind Islamic practices and how they apply to modern life. Ummah and social responsibility. Involve children in community service and activities. This nurtures a sense of belonging and responsibility towards the Ummah Muslim community and society at large. Fairness and compassion. Discipline should be fair and just, reflecting the balance of justice and mercy in Islam. Use it as a teaching moment to help children learn from their mistakes and grow.